if you're hearing kind of crackling, static, or that annoying buzzing and popping noise from your AirPods Pro 3 when you listen to music, here is how to fix it fast before it gets worse. So don't forget to watch till the end. Now, crackling noise might happen generally if you frequently listen to music with high volume. You can also check this live listen feature, and if it's showing loud, you just need to try to keep it to a moderate level. And also try to always make sure that the AirPods mesh is clean enough. But you know what? If any earwax or dust is stuck in there, this might also cause popping or humming sound. So after that, let's go ahead and check a few settings. From there to either the Bluetooth or your AirPods own settings. But first of all, in here, I'm going to tell you that some users have shared that turning off ANC while listening to music solved this issue for them. So you can also try that out as well. Next, scroll down and turn off personalized volume if you want, as it can auto-adjust sound and cause crackling or buzzing noise. Also, right next to it, the turn off loud sound reduction option, which is kind of a semi-ANC feature, and just go ahead and turn it off to see if that solves your issue. So next, go to the adaptive audio and try to keep the ambience to the highest by sliding this toggle to the right. But next, we recommend you to scroll down to accessibility. From there, scroll down to iPhone audio and visual settings. It'll redirect you to the iPhone's accessibility settings. Now go to the headphones accommodations. If it's on, just make sure the boost or bass, if selected to strong, just keep it to moderate or slight. You can then just play a sample to see if it solved your crackling noise problem. If your problem still persists, from the AirPods own settings, scroll down till the end and simply just go and forget it. And then we're going to reset it. Keep the buds inside, open the lid, make sure the LED is showing, and then double tap 3 times over the LED. It'll blink orange and then white, means the reset is done. Just go ahead and repair it with your iPhone once again. And after repairing, finally, just go ahead and check for a software update. Go back to your AirPods settings, scroll till the end, and then just tap over the version. And from here, tap on the support.apple.com link. The latest firmware version is listed in here. It'll take you to the Apple's website, and you will find the latest firmware version for AirPods Pro 3 listed in here. Just make sure this one and the current version that your AirPods Pro 3 is updated to is a match. If your AirPods is showing a previous version, just keep it connected to your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Keep it on charge, or listen to music for a while, keep the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on, and it'll be auto-updated in a few minutes. Hopefully your AirPod is no longer making any crackling noise. Thanks for watching.